Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be showing you how I curl my hair. You are going to need an 1.5 inch curling iron. It's a Pro Beauty Tools. I purchased this curler for about $25 at Target. And I'm also using this Ion hair oil. You will also be needing hairspray. I am using Pantene, which can also be found at Target for about $5. Alright, to start off, we're going to part our hair. We're going to clip it with a hair clip. This is what I have. And okay, perfect. So we're going to start off by parting your hair. It should be warm enough already. So you're going to roll the wand away from your face. The reason why you want to do that is because you don't want your curls going inward towards your face, because that would look kind of weird. So always curl your hair away from your face so it can give you like either curls or waves that are going outwards. You don't want to overcook your hair, so once you feel it's warm enough, you're going to go ahead and just let the curls loose. Let them be. Do not touch it. Just leave it there. And move on to the next section. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, curling away from your face, leaving about 1 inch or so of hair down. And once you're like close enough to your head, you're going to start twisting like this to get that inch of hair that you didn't curl, to get it inside the wand or the curling iron so it could curl. Okay, so we're just gonna wait, give it a few seconds. I always like to turn this thing all the way up because my hair is very thick. You know your hair better than I do, so you know, you don't want to overheat it and leave it on there for too long, because then it's going to burn your hair. When I first started curling my hair, a few times I'd burn my neck, and it looks really bad. It looks like a hickey. You don't want to do that, so don't get too close to your neck. Alright, so we're just going to wait, give it a few seconds. Should be enough. We're good to go. Then you move on to the next section. Okay, applying the same technique. Looks good. Alright, so now we're moving on to the next side. We're going to do exactly the same thing, except we're curling the opposite direction. Right. Okay, so now that we're done curling the bottom part of our hair, we're going to move on to the top part. Go ahead and section once again. Same technique. Parting your hair, sectioning your hair, and curling away from your face. Alright, my ladies, so now that we're done curling every section of our hair. We are going to let all the curls cool down. Next, we're gonna go ahead and run our fingers through our hair. But before you do that, you want to use a little bit of oil. That should be enough. It's right there. You don't need that much. You don't want your hair to look super greasy. Rub your hands with the product, and you're gonna focus on your tips. So just run your fingers through your hair like so, and get that product in your hair. Okay, and never apply oil to your roots. Your roots will get oily naturally, so you don't want to apply extra oil. Don't want to do that. Always apply your oils to the tips of your hair only. And okay, so this is going to be our finished look. Alright, so if you want your curls to last and to not fall out, spray some hairspray. Just shake the bottle and spray it. Don't spray too much of it because you don't want your hair to be stiff. You just want to spray just enough for the curls to stay in. Just like that. That should be enough. You want to cover your face so you don't get the hairspray on your face and then you break out. Then you want to do it to the back of your hair. And once again, just run your fingers through your hair. So that's how I curl my hair. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and click that like button. Remember to subscribe for more videos, and I will go ahead and see you on the next video. Bye.